this little easy to make teepee is started with a circle, and then I cut the circle in half, and I'm using construction paper. After I've cut the circle in half, I'm going to make a little slit in the round part here, so that will be the door, and then fold it back. Then to make designs, if I want to do designs on it, I want to do that before I glue it together. So you want to color those. I use crayons, but you can use markers, or you don't have to put designs. Then you want to put the edges together like this, and it forms a cone shape. Then you can glue it or tape it. I glued mine, but for this camera here, I'm just going to tape it like this. Then for the top, that didn't hold. For the top, I use some toothpicks, but if you have some twigs out in your yard, they will work just as well, and I glued those in. Thanks for watching, and remember to always be kind, and please click the subscribe button and hit the little bell if you want to be notified of more of my projects.